While the world is under lockdown, not only is the health of the economy being impacted, but the risk of being infected is ever present. Efforts to lift the restrictions on movement through contact tracing have created privacy and surveillance concerns. The DataForLife initiative provides a risk assessment solution that protects shared personal information from being misused, and it gives authorities actionable insights. Let's look at how this works. On the left is the citizen's view, and on the right an administrative view for local authorities and health departments. Using the app, the citizen, let's call him Eric, explicitly consents to sharing his data for various purposes like, for example, anonymous contact tracing. Consent can be granted even down to the attribute level. Eric is now able to perform a risk analysis based on various parameters. He can self-assess his wellness by a screening test and verify his health status with the local health department or test lab. He can enable sharing of future location data and add historic location data from telecom operators, Facebook and Google, or by manually entering locations he's visited. Eric checks his risk score, and the recommendation is to get himself tested. If any of Eric's risk parameters change, the system notifies him to perform the analysis again to receive a new recommendation. On the right is the dashboard, where local authorities can monitor the infection spread through heat maps. With this information, they can update public recommendations and take action to limit the adverse effects of the virus, for example, by temporarily closing locations for sanitization. Data shared for research purposes can help prevent future epidemics. The DataForLife initiative harnesses the power of many, whereby citizens can share their data for their own and the public good without compromising privacy. Together, we can build post-COVID-19 resilience.